Michelle, Victoria Specialty Hardware is so great because you have everything on display. I love that a lot of your suppliers are coming out with new styles this year, new finishes, and really giving the consumers what they want.
Oh, exactly. We really work hard to show everything, all the options from traditional to modern to transitional, showcasing all the new finishes, the new styles, even the new materials. Because all the stuff here is, for the most part, either solid brass or solid bronze. There's very little plastic.
And that's, I think, the thing that's different. When you come into the showroom, you can touch and feel things, pick things up, and it's the weight and the actual material, the product, that makes it so high-end.
Exactly, and the warranties, you know, we've got lifetime warranties on some faucets.
Exactly. It might be a little bit of an investment up front, but it's going to last you so much longer. And I have to be honest, I come in half the time just to see Diesel.
I think a lot of people do. She's so friendly, she's happy to please everybody, and come and say hi.